India has an ambition to be a 10 trillion economy by 2035. And one of the big gap which has been identified is the gap in the area of supply chain management. It's been problem area in the past, and there's a felt need that we need managers who are going to support this whole supply chain function. And this issue has become more important in last 2 years. One, because of global geopolitics suddenly, and second, the COVID-19. The whole lot of global firms have decided they need to find alternate to China, and somewhere India has seen this as a great opportunity. So how do we look at strengthen our supply chain space so that we can compete and take place of China? And that's where supply chain is going to become a very important part in the country. We already have a very well established program in supply chain space. We started in 2013, where essentially we said we need to have managers who obviously have a great understanding of management concepts, but they must have a depth in this global supply chain management. In this design of these courses, we do as I said, general management courses, but large number of courses in operations and supply chain management. And we also have a live project where students would work on an industry project where they dirty their hands. They work on data. From last year, we made certain major changes to strengthen our focus in this global supply chain management. At IIM Udaipur, we have created a center for global supply chain management, where we got a strong advisory body which consists of players from across the board. We get consulting companies, we get companies which are in logistics supply chain space, we have companies which have been providing technology in this space, and we also get users of supply chain management. And with that, we have strengthened our program. We also have our alumni who done extremely well, and we look at the whole range of industry where they've been working. So they've been working in a consulting companies which provide consulting in this area. We have a technology consulting companies who provide technology advice in supply chain space. We also have a logistics industry represented there. We have an e-commerce industry. So we have this whole range who's helping us in looking at our curriculum and helped us revise our curriculum. We also added something from last year which is related to digital. So we have a courses in digital supply chain management, as well as strengthened our portfolio of courses in analytics. Given our feedback from alumni, we think we are well positioned at IIM Udaipur because we have created this deep expertise in space. And we think our graduates, our alumni are already doing a great job in this, and our alumni, we help India in strengthening our requirements in this logistics and supply chain space, so that our aspiration of becoming this 10 trillion economy by 2035, we are able to achieve that and fill up this space, this felt need in this whole area of logistics and supply chain management.